blocks out, but I can't touch the color. I can't touch the color green. Oh my god, I spawned one block closer to I need to get wood. Yeah, I need to watch out. And my only goal is to find a water bucket. Yeah. My only goal is to find a water. Bro, do this count? Don't touch the leaf. Okay. And that's all. Watch out. And I need to find a water bucket, and I have a good place to find water. But I need buckets. Break the rules of laws of physics. We have stone now. Okay, we will cut a bit in 3, 2, 1, and cut back in. We're now in. We got stone tools and I craft them. Yeah. And our goal now is to find iron. Oh wow, it's iron! Wow, just what I need. Now I need coal. Where could I find coal? And now just cut for a while. 3, 2, 1, cut. Wow, magical coal just appeared from nowhere. Wow, I really wanted to know where that come from. Yeah. Where did that come from? And I have 4 coals. Now I'll use a furnace to melt them all. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. The water bottle count? Let's skip a while. We got 3 iron now. We now need a crafting table to craft a bucket. Now we need water source, and we need to go back up. Yeah, we need to go back up. And where can I find? Oh my god, I found water under the cave. It's cave water. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Oh my god, I just